normal bleeding time?
1 to 3
1 to 3 minutes. What is the definition of bleeding time? It is the time taken for the
bleeding to stop.
from the onset of bleeding to the stoppage of bleeding is called as bleeding time. So, what contributes in bleeding time? What cells will stop the bleeding? Platelets. So, decrease the platelet count, obviously it will increase the bleeding time. Okay? So, that is one condition. So, also if there is any internal bleeding, excessive internal bleeding, the platelet count will reduce. Okay, there is a relation. So, platelet count contributes in bleeding time. Then coming to clotting time, what is the definition? Time taken for the blood to convert from liquid to semi-solid state of clot is called as clotting time. What is normal clotting time? Greater than bleeding time. Okay, 3 to 5 or 3 to 6 minutes. Okay. Now, increased bleeding time is seen in increased clotting time. Increased clotting time is seen in
Absence of any
absence of any clotting factor. Absence of any clotting factor results in increased clotting time. Okay, or the patient who is under warfarin therapy already we get some anticoagulants to the patient, so automatically this clotting time will increase. Okay, in that condition clotting time will increase. Is everything clear? Then methods of bleeding time and clotting time. So bleeding time have three methods: finger prick method, Duke's method, and IVY method. Okay, IV's method. So what is finger prick method? You will start assessing from finger prick. Okay. So first you will prick the finger, then you will start counting. You will start the timer. For every 30 seconds, you will take a increase on a filter paper. Simple. Then Duke's means from earlobe in case of children. And IVY method, it will be performed under a pressure, like 80 mm Hg. So it will be stabilize the pressure fluctuations also. That is IVY method. Then clotting time. So clotting time can be done by two types. One of those capillary tube method, Lee and White method. Capillary tube, you are using capillary tube. You will not already into capillary tube. After every 30 seconds, you will stop making it until watching of visibility of fibrillary thread. Okay, then Lee and White method, you will collect blood in a test tube, and this test tube will be suspended in the water bath, and you will assess the time. Okay, I just want to tell you from where I came actually. Listen, it's my first year BSc Habati. I did in government college, and that is my final practical exam. Okay, we have not semester wise, yearly wise exams. If we fail in practical, we need to read a theory also, even if we pass the exam. Okay, theory will be nullified if we fail in practical. They give more importance to practicals, more over theory exam. Okay, so what happened? My senior, he got backlog. Okay, and he came to the lab. That means he already failed one time. Again, he came to the lab as a supplementary student. He got capillary tube method, and I got bleeding time. Okay, easy. What happened? They purposely gave only one capillary tube, only one thing to each of one of us. What happened? He broke his capillary tube and he didn't get fibrillary thread. Okay, he did test and he didn't get fibrillary thread. He started screaming and we understood what's going to happen. Okay, I tried to go to Almira to get one capillary tube, but even I was afraid. I returned to my spot. And you know what happened? The examiner came and he said, where is the thread? There is no thread. And literally, he got one more backlog because he didn't perform the test. Okay, so I was really afraid of capillary tubes. Actually, that is right education. And you see nicely like things you will see on and legs on legs. So do your test properly, okay? And don't hurt yourself when you are doing these experiments. Yes. So can you perform now the test, both bleeding time and clotting time, or I start doing, students?